Hi. So we have our kit. I dropped them off at your houses, and this is my decorative paper. I'm just using scraps. You have nice decorative paper, so yours is a little bit different than mine. Don't worry about that. Then you also have the pattern pieces, and your pattern pieces consist of 3 pages, and you have a page 1 of 3, and then you have a page 2 of 3, and then you have a page 3 of 3. So on top of that, you have your papers, and these are the ones that we will be cutting. You don't have to cut them now. We will do everything in class on Friday. I did put up one little video, if you want to go look at it, how to make the top, the lid, but you don't have to start until Friday unless you want to. So you have several 8.5 by 11 inch sheets, and then you have at least 2 12 by 12 sheets. Now, the reason you have 2 different sizes of sheets is when you look at your page, let's look at page 1 of 3, you have the lid. This lid is cut on a 7 1/4 by 7 1/4 inch piece of paper. Can you see that? There we go. Now, again, this isn't to score. This is just to give you the pattern. So when you cut it, you will take an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet and you will cut it to 7 1/4 by 7 1/4, and you'll have a nice little square. Then we'll do the scoring. But these 8.5 inch papers are for the 1 of 3 and the 2 of 3 pages, because those will fit cut on the 8.5 by 11. What you need the 12 by 12s for are the page 3 of 3, the drawers. You need to make 2 drawers, and each drawer is a size 9 by 9. So an 8.5 size sheet won't fit. It's only 8.5 wide, and you need 9 inches wide. So we're going to take our 12 by 12 and we'll cut it down to 9 by 9. And then we will do our folds. You don't have to worry about this until we get to Friday. I will explain everything on Friday, which pattern we are using and which piece of paper. Okay, so I hope this helps you. Thanks for stopping. See you later. Bye-bye.